Good morning, students. In last lecture, we already discussed about what is the respiration in the plant and types of respiration. We already discussed about the anaerobic respiration. But in this lecture, students, we discuss about anaerobic respiration. Yes, anaerobic respiration. Again, I repeat chapter nutrition, respiration, excretion in plant. Now our topic is anaerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration always done in the presence of air, in the presence of oxygen. It is a reversible reaction of photosynthesis. C6H12O6 plus O2 gives us CO2 plus H2O plus energy, 38 ATP. That happen in the mitochondria and the cell. But now we discuss about the what is the anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is the process by creating energy without the presence of oxygen. The respiration happen in the absence of oxygen. A very less amount of oxygen is there. Then anaerobic respiration happen. Yes. So already told about the aerobic respiration. Now what is the reaction of the anaerobic respiration? When glucose, it gives that is a ethanol. Ethyl alcohol. That is a ethyl alcohol. Yes, student. Yes. C6H12O6. Glucose gives the ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Plus CO2 carbon dioxide plus energy. Actually energy is a 2 ATP only. The anaerobic respiration is always happens in the muscles of the in animals sometimes. Yes, anaerobic respiration happen only when the soil is full of waterlogged. They get the oxygen less amount, very less amount. Then the anaerobic respiration happen. And in the muscles which reaction happen, that is also anaerobic respiration in the animals. But in this, the product is a lactic acid, student. Lactic acid. First of all, we see what is the anaerobic respiration in the plants. It gives the C6H12O6 plus ethanol plus CO2 plus energy 2 ATP. Oh, very less amount. ATP is mean a currency of energy stored in the form of adenosine triphosphate. Yes, student. Glucose gives the ethyl alcohol, CO2 plus energy in the form of store in our body in the form of 2 ATP. In the plant in the form of 2 ATP. Yes. It is the release of a relatively small amount of energy in the cell by the breakdown of the substance in the absence of oxygen. I already told in aerobic respiration 38 ATP form, but here only 2 ATP form only. Yes. Anaerobic respiration happen in the muscles during the hard vigorous reaction. Yes, student. Sometimes if person do very hard vigorous reaction, our body require a lot of energy. That's why we want oxygen more. That's why we breathe more. But sometimes some person not do the regular exercise. Due to this, they feel fatigue, feel tired. The muscles cramps is there. In that muscles, in the joint, the lactic acid is there actually. Presence of lactic acid, form lactic acid. Glucose form the lactic acid, C3H6O3, the formula, plus energy. Very less amount of energy release, lactic acid. If we take hot bath, then we are able to remove their muscles cramp and become relaxed. Yes, student. If we compare the photosynthesis and respiration, we find that they opposing action each other. You know, respiration is a reversible reaction of photosynthesis. If former one is a building up of glucose only, anabolic reaction. That reaction is the anabolic reaction. The reaction in which a building up of the substance is there, glucose is there. In breaking down, that is a catabolic reaction, a special name given. And both reaction is called metabolism. Metabolism, students. What is the difference between respiration and photosynthesis? Yes, photosynthesis is always CO2 is taken while oxygen is released. But in respiration, oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is released as a byproduct. Glucose is synthesized in the photosynthesis, and glucose is broken down in the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, it means always the presence of sunlight only, or that is happen in the daytime also, night time also, but this happens only in the presence of during light only. Here energy is required, here energy is released. Actually in photosynthesis is the endothermic reaction which absorbs the energy, absorbs the heat. In respiration is the exothermic reaction, energy is released in the form of ATP, 38 ATP, already told in the aerobic and anaerobic 2 ATP only. Yes, takes place in the presence of chlorophyll, already told about chlorophyll, green pigment which trap the sunlight. The function of the chlorophyll is to trap the sunlight, student. Takes place in all the cells. Yes, it takes place in all the cells, takes place in the chlorophyll which contain the chlorophyll only. Yes, that is a photosynthesis. This is the difference between photosynthesis and respiration. I am again repeating the lecture. Yes, anaerobic respiration is the respiration happen in the absence of oxygen. A very less amount of oxygen is there. That's why it formed the ethyl alcohol plus CO2 plus energy, only 2 ATP. Yes, it releases a small amount of energy only. Yes, in muscles of the animals during vigorous exercise, the product is a lactic acid. Yes, if we compare photosynthesis and respiration, both are opposing to each other. Former called anabolic reaction, building up. Later one called respiration, called breaking down, catabolic reaction. And both reaction together occurring in our body, that is called metabolism. Yes, and photosynthesis and respiration already explained. In next lecture we discuss about some another topic, students, some activities. Yes, thank you.